When thousands of innocent families in Camp John Hay faced eviction in 2015, CJHDevCo did not prioritize collecting their 1.42 billion pesos refund. Instead, they stood their ground to protect the residents, refusing to abandon the people who trusted them. In April 2015, BCDA had secured a writ of execution. It didn't just order the developer to leave, it targeted, quote, all persons claiming rights under them. This legal phrase meant that every family and every investor who bought in good faith was about to be kicked out. CJHDevCo could have focused on collecting their 1.4 billion peso refund and walked away. But on May 4, 2015, they filed a very urgent omnibus motion. Their argument was simple: you cannot punish people who were never put on trial. When the lower court ignored this plea, the developer didn't give up. They took the fight to the Court of Appeals, citing the trial judge of grave abuse of discretion. The developer's persistence paid off. On July 30, 2015, the Court of Appeals Special Fifth Division issued a decision that saved the community. The court nullified the notice to vacate and the writ of execution, but the victory was specific and powerful. First, the court ordered the judge and sheriff to cease and desist from enforcing the eviction against CJHDevCo until the full amount of 1.42 billion pesos was paid. Second, and most importantly for the residents, the court enjoined the sheriff from touching the third parties and interveners. The decision explicitly stated that the rights of these innocent buyers must be determined in a proper court, not swept away in a summary execution. The court then issued a direct command to the BCDA. They were ordered to respect and not disturb the various contracts of the sublessees. For the families living in Camp John Hay, this was the moment they could finally sleep at night, knowing the second highest court in the land had recognized their rights. But in this war, peace is never permanent. The government refused to accept a ruling that told them to respect the residents. So, on September 1, 2015, just 1 month later, the BCDA escalated the conflict to the highest level. They filed a petition with the Supreme Court asking to overturn the Court of Appeals decision. They want the writ of execution reinstated. They want the power to evict the families returned. CJHDevCo won the battle to save the homeowners in 2015. But now, the ultimate question remains: will the Supreme Court uphold the shield, or will the government finally get the green light to clear the camp?